jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on one horse open sleigh. Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to Funology, learning with fun. So friends, Christmas is coming in few days. Yay! I'm so excited for this big day. And you know, Christmas is the festival of sharing and giving. And you know, it is the festival of spreading love. And friends, if you'll become someone's secret Santa, I'm sure you will feel very happy to see the big smile on that person's face. Alright, I want to share a few fun facts about Christmas. And the fun facts are, the first one is the song Jingle Bells. You know friends, the song Jingle Bells is actually written for Thanksgiving, not for Christmas. And you know, on Christmas, more than 1 million letters addressed to Santa Claus on Santa Claus postal code, and that's ho oh ho, North Pole, Canada. And do you know, we call this Christmas tree Yule tree also. Isn't it amazing? All right friends, so you must be wondering what we are going to learn and make in today's video. And today we are going to learn how to make this elf. Elf with the magical powers. And I'm going to decorate my tree with this elf. So are you all ready to learn how to make this elf? So, but before that, do like, share my channel and subscribe it, and don't forget to press the bell icon. So stay tuned and get ready. I hope you enjoyed making an elf. So, till the next time and my next video, don't forget to like and share. And happy holidays and Merry Christmas, everyone. Bye-bye.